Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers. I'm Nida Herdiana Kusuma from Semanda Headline News, bringing you the latest news for today. Veteran actor Didi Widiatmoko, popularly known as Didi Petet, died at the age of 58 at his residence in Sasaktinggi Ciputat, South Tangerang on Friday morning. Didi Nesmutia Kausar said that Didi, who started in a number of comedy and drama films in the 80s and 90s, collapsed and lost consciousness when attending an expo in Milan, Italy recently. He just arrived home on May 10 after attending the exhibition in the city. He collapsed and lost consciousness and returned home in a wheelchair, she said. On Tuesday, Didi was taken to Bandung for treatment. Motia said no disease were detected, but he died on Friday. Didi's body is laid out in his residence on Bambu Apus Street in Sasaktinggi Ciputat, South Tangerang. It has yet to be decided when and where he will be buried. That's all the news for today. Check this out at semandanews.com for the latest update. I'm Dina Herdiana Kusuma. Thank you for watching and have a great day.